everyone, I'm coming to you from Something New, warehouse inventory take 2. Last week we covered a number of items within the warehouse. I'm going to cover a few more just to show you what else we have inside. So step on inside with me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover a few things down the middle of our warehouse today. The first item is right here on my right. It's our custom Naomi tunics. These are they were made by Charles River, custom for us. It's Something New. So it's a Charles River quality tunic made especially for Something New. So this is the Sphinx color, and I've got on the Calypso, and it is the prettiest tunic. It's a sweater. It's a sweatshirt fabric. So nice and cozy for right now. It's got a high-low hemline. Really nice, simple back, but it's got a figure flattering shape to it, which is not the big, boxy kind of quarter zip that that Charles River does also. So we designed this kind of as in a little bit more feminine cut. This is the Sphinx, and again the Calypso. Beautiful buy at $18 each. So that's first of all, and it's got a snap placket, which is really nice and dressy. You can dress it up with jeans, you can wear it with sweats. I also am wearing a pair of the UGG clogs that are on sale too. I'll have to check the pricing over there. They are marked at least at half price. They've got the fuzzy Sherpa lining inside, and suede. So super fun deal over here in UGG also. So that is the first thing I wanted to cover. The second thing I wanted to do, moving down the center here, is talk about our infinity scarves. We've got three colors in this. We've got gray, cream, and a really pretty burgundy wine color in this infinity scarf. These were so popular, and they are like just fuzzy soft, super soft. You can wear them a couple different ways, but just something fun just over a sweatshirt just like this, or doubled around as something closer around your neck for warmth. Super fun, again, super fuzzy, not itchy at all, and in a cable knit, which is really pretty. We used to monogram on these, and we have some stock left in those. Those are only $10. So, and then we've also got really pretty blanket scarves from Mud Pie. These are reversible scarves to a different color plaid on the other side. They're an oblong length, which is really pretty, again in a burgundy and black theme, and then a gray and neutral theme. So those are a great buy at $15 also. And then to touch on, Amy, if you want to walk over this way, our cashmere field scarves, I picked up one in the last video. We have got herringbone. We've got a lot of solids, including a really pretty coffee, a soft gray. We've got a really pretty cream. These are cashmere field scarves. They're washable, great for just under a jacket right now. We've got black. We've got a hot pink. We've got a just a soft kind of burgundy, really pretty rosy burgundy color. Royal blue, one left of that, and then gorgeous, really pretty plaids. A blue plaid, and then this was so pretty at Christmas. This is our Christmas plaid, gorgeous, with gray and reds and greens. And then one of my favorites, this is a coffee and kind of a soft banana kind of color, herringbone check, just simply gorgeous and rich colors. It reminds me of like a Burberry color scheme. So we've got a lot of those still available. Then we're going to head this way. Our ever so popular Iberia bag. These are custom runs of ours. They're in a navy and cream color scheme. The camel and black that we couldn't keep in stock. We've got camel and white here. We also have black and cream too. So a lot of really fun bags here in a vegan leather option with the tassel for spring, which will be a lot of fun. It's a bag within a bag, so you've got a crossbody in there too. Really nice quality bag, and again, those are only $30. So those are a great buy. And then we've still got some of these little cute little kind of Kate Spade-ish bags with the herringbone and the camel trim too. And heading down this way, Amy, we've still got a lot of apparel too. We still have Charles River. We have a lot of actually really cute mint windbreakers. I'm sorry to back up, but this really ever so popular windbreaker. It's the Pack and Go from Charles River. It packs into its pocket, hooded, great lightweight spring item. Again, we've got that color, I think, in almost all sizes left, and some other colors available too. So that's a great thing to come in and check out. Our really fun kind of athletic wear that we embroidered on also in the past is our pennant line. This is a really fun poodle kind of fleece in a gray wash. We've also got it in a burgundy, and am I seeing the navy too? So we've got this in a really cute poodle fleece, and those are only $15. All the pennant is $15. Really cute. You guys have all loved this high-low hemline. It's got a fuzzy fleece inside, this little raglan look. Lots of colors in this too. We've got navy, burgundy, orange, in that also. And then this cute little popover is just adorable. It's navy and hot pink. That's a really cute look too. You could have it monogrammed or not through another resource. And I'm just looking through what else. And then our comfort colors over here. Every single comfort color t-shirt, whether it be long sleeve or short, is on sale for $8. This gorgeous blue, again, was our signature blue. We've got mint t-shirts. We've got the blue. We've still got a few navies and one coral color t-shirt, a cream, and a light pink too. So a lot of comfort color t-shirts. Y'all know that brand. It's a great brand. Again, we used to monogram those, and those were a super hot item. We still have lots of really fun aprons. If you want aprons at great prices, the children's aprons are $5. Chef hats are $6. The 2-pocket aprons are only $7. The 3-pocket large or extra large aprons are $9. And then just a few other options there too. We've got some that are pre-stitched with some holiday sayings on them. But these aprons are an amazing quality. This is the really pretty gray. It's got an adjustable strap, a double pocket in the front, and very, very long ties. So 30-inch ties, which go around twice around a normal size person, or allows for someone larger to wear these too. So really, our aprons blew out for 12 years, and so very high quality aprons, heavy twill aprons. So those are a really nice apron too. And I'm looking around at some of the other items. We've still got some really cute little kids quarter zips. How darling is that? We've got some different colors. I think this is actually Amy's daughter's initials, isn't it, Amy? Yeah, so super cute little sample there. Brings back memories. And super cute little Halloween bags that are pre-stitched with Boo on them. Those are a great price too. Only $7, so great price there. We still have some robes left. Someone did buy out all of our watermelon robes that we featured last week. We have light pink. This is the prettiest color. We do have, I'm going to pull this brown out. How pretty, with like a cheetah or leopard print bathing suit. Would this be cute for a summer cover-up in the brown? And I'm going to pull out a really pretty color. We've got hot pink in the the robes, the waffle weave robes that we featured last week. And then we've got a coral color that is just gorgeous too. So, and we have black also, still in low quantities, but we do have them. We have children's robes too, and then we have extra large and tall robes also, which fit a little bit larger person or a man. So those worked really nicely for men. I'm just going to pull out one of them in a gorgeous, this is a gorgeous slate gray, and this is, Amy, is this an extra large? Mm-hmm. So this is an extra large size, so it's not super long, but it's got a little bit more fabric around the middle so that someone larger can wear those. So we've got a lot in stock to still come and shop. All of the bags, we still have totes, we still have linen totes, we still have vegan leather totes, we still have leather left, and we have some gorgeous travel bags too still. So come and see us Wednesday through Friday, 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the afternoon every week, and that is at 509 Broad Street in Fuquay, Varina, in downtown Varina, the historic district. We are very close to Nils Cafe and right down the street from Aviator and across the street from Cupcake Bite, to give you some reference as to where we are. There's still a lot in here for y'all to shop, and we would love to have you and see you this week. Again, Wednesday through Friday, 10 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Our phone number is 919-557-9984 if you have any questions. Thanks, y'all. Hope to see you soon.